Today, I'm going to teach you how to blur the background of an image. Stay with me. We create a copy of the image with the shortcut key Ctrl+J. Using the Object Selection tool and setting its mode to lasso, we select the subject area. Once the subject is selected, we click the Select and Mask button. With the Quick Selection tool and with the negative part, we delete the selected additional areas. And with the positive part of that tool, we'll bring back any areas we've accidentally erased. Then, click OK. We duplicate the selected area with the shortcut Ctrl+J, right-click on the new layer and choose Select Pixels. Go to Layer 1. From the Select tab, choose a Modify, and then Expand. The Expand selection window opens. We set Expand by to 10 pixels so that the selected area expands by 10 pixels. And click OK. To remove the selected area, right-click and choose Fill. In the Fill window, set Contents to Content Aware. Check on Color Adaptation. And set the Blend mode to Normal with 100% opacity. And click OK. As you can see, the object is removed from the image and leaving only the background. We deselect the area with the shortcut Ctrl+D. Go to the Defilter tab, then a Blur, and select Gaussian Blur. In the Gaussian Blur window, we adjust the radius value so that the image is blurred as much as we want. And click OK. Create a mask on Layer 1. Select the brush tool and adjust its settings. And with a black brush, we erase the parts of the image that we don't want to be blurred. Finally, we see the result together. Don't forget to like and subscribe to follow daily educational content. Thank you for supporting me by watching the video.